The Rochester Police Department has released a 23-minute video, a compilation filled with video, notes, and bullet points detailing the March 2020 encounter that led to the death of Daniel Prude. This the day after the department announced that Officer Mark Vaughn, who was involved with that incident, has been served with departmental charges in relation to the encounter. Christian Garzone joins us now live from downtown Rochester. Christian, what can you tell us about all this?
Well, Adam, the RPD says Officer Vaughn has been served with departmental charges. More on what those charges are in just a little bit. They also say no other officers on scene that night have been charged. That's not sitting well with Joe Prude, Daniel Prude's brother. We're told by Joe Prude's lawyer, Joe is not going to go quietly on this one. RPD's announcement that no other officers on scene the night of March 23, 2020 will not face charges has Joe Prude, quote, disappointed and angry. That's according to his lawyer, Elliot Shields.
That is not justice, because each one of the officers who are at the scene are equally liable for his brother's death.
Shields says under the law, all there had a duty to intervene and prevent their fellow officers from using excessive force.
And none of them did that here. Instead, Troy Talladay and Francisco Santiago helped restrain Mr. Prude instead of complying with their legal duty to prevent Mark Vaughn from doing a triangle push-up on his head and killing him.
This determination from RPD comes months after the state attorney general said none of the officers involved in the case would be criminally charged in Prude's death, which was ruled a homicide by the medical examiner. Today, the police said the charges being presented against Officer Vaughn are 1, unnecessary and/or excessive force, and 2, discourteous and unprofessional conduct. Shields says more needs to be done.
So that the public can know the truth about what caused his death and about the cover-up after his death.
Attorneys for the estate of Daniel Prude today said they are highly skeptical that real accountability will be achieved through the city's broken disciplinary system and are looking forward to their day in court. We're told Joe Prude isn't going anywhere in this fight. The attorney for the Prude family is saying these charges in no way equal full justice.
Joe plans to be front and center to continue to voice his disappointment.
And as you heard Adam say, RPD also released a 23-minute video today detailing Prude's journey the night of March 20th with never-before-seen video and details. More on that coming up in just a little bit. Live in downtown Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, back to you.
All right, Christian, thank you. So let's talk about that 23-minute video that Rochester Police released about an hour and a half ago. It did contain a lot of the body cam video that we've seen over the last year, but there was some new material in it, including some body cam video of an encounter way before the one we're used to. You see it here. It's inside a house. It involves Rochester Police and Daniel Prude along with his brother. This was hours before the encounter we all know about. There was a mental health arrest made here. He was taken to the hospital, released about 4 hours later. Also included in the 23-minute compilation, the security video that we're seeing here. We see different clips of Daniel Prude running through the streets of Rochester on that very cold March night, that run leading up to that ultimate encounter with Rochester Police that we know so well. Again, this compilation you can watch over at our website, rochesterfirst.com. 23 minutes, you get video, notes, and bullet points.